Hello all, welcome back to our channel Oracle CPQ Gurus. Today topic we are going to discuss about the 5 powerful ways to hide an attribute in Oracle CPQ configuration side. So this is the must and should everyone should have to know what are those 5 ways to hide an attribute in CPQ configuration. So before that, let me go to the our community channel. Our community channel was Oracle CPQ Gurus. Today, I want to say a special thanks to Sri Rai Prolu. So today I was starting the topic. Let me share my screen. First, you need to go to administration platform. In administration platform, click on the catalog definition. After clicking on the catalog definition, you need to go to your respective family, line, and model. My family is Oracle CPQ Gurus. So let me go to Oracle CPQ Gurus, Redwood testing. So just click on the list. So now we land into the product line. So just click on the list. Now our model configuration is open. So let me click on select the drop down attributes. Click on list. After clicking on the list, the attributes administration list will be open. You just open your respective attribute. So I wanted to this is my attribute Oracle CPQ Gurus courses. Just click on that attribute. So the particular attribute menu editor will be open, menu attribute editor. In that, if you see, there is a properties section. In this properties, you will find that hidden. You need to select this hidden checkbox. So if you select this checkbox, right, the attribute will be hidden. This is the first way. The first way to hide the attribute is go to the attribute in editor, attribute editor, editor in properties. You just need to select hidden. This is the first way. So let me go to the back. Now we can discuss about the second way. In the second way, just you need to go to the configuration flows. Let me click on the configuration flows. Once you click on the configuration flows, click on the list. After clicking on the list, you can directly, you just click on the desktop. You just click on the desktop. Once you click on the desktop, the layout editor will be open. In the layout editor, you just go to your respective attributes. Here, my respective attributes Oracle CPQ Guru courses. Click on the settings icon. If you see here, there is a layout and behavior properties tab. Just click on the behavior properties tab. In this tab, if you see the option called hidden, you can click here the hidden. This is the second way to hide an attribute. So now we will discuss about the third way. So let me go to the back. So let me click on the back. After clicking on the back, you just need to go to the respective model. Just click on the drop down. Click on the hiding attributes. This is nothing but just click on the list. After clicking on the list, this is the rule of hiding rule. By using this hiding rule also, you can able to hide an attribute. This is the one of the way you can able to hide an attribute. In the action, you need to give your respective attribute and you need to create a rule. This is the one more way, the third way to hide an attribute. So now we can discuss about the fourth way. Just go to the home page. In the home page, the Oracle Redwood Gurus is our page, right? Redwood testing, click on that. Oracle CPQ, click on the Oracle CPQ Gurus configuration. So you can able to see that model configuration page. In the model configuration page, now you can able to try the CSS also. This is the fourth way. I will show how you can able to try the CSS. First, we'll check in the inspector whether our CSS is working or not. Then we can able to go with the style sheets. The first, for example, I just wanted to hide this. So I will just click on the inspect. After clicking on the inspect, if you see here, okay, just select this icon and select the inspect of this particular attribute. So here you can able to give that display none. So if you see here, this particular this particular attribute text got hidden. So similar way you can able to try that. So this is the one way we can able to try that. See, by using the CSS. The fourth way, right? You can able to use the JavaScript. As per Oracle standards, right? Don't prefer the JavaScript until unless it's like a very we cannot achieve through the any of these above methods. You just go through JavaScript, but Oracle is not recommended, and I will also not recommend that. So this is the ways you can able to do that. For that, the third we have discussed the fourth variant CSS. For that, you need to give that display 9 and those thing in the style sheet. Just select the style sheet. In the style sheets, in the style sheets, you need to download the existing file and you need to upload in that file. You just need to give that. If you see that this is the style sheet, in this style sheet, you just need to give that respect to attribute ID and display none. Similar way. So these are the ways you can able to hide an attribute in the configuration in Oracle CPQ. Yeah.